Everyone, assalamu alaikum. Well, let's see how to rank a video on YouTube fast. And for this reason, actually, we'll do an experiment. Well, on other day, I was searching for a keyword, this one, and I wanted to make a video on this. And first, what I did, I went to Google and tried to look for a video on this, okay? And I found no video. So I decided to go ahead and make a video, and you can see the video actually over here. So this is the video that I created, and this is the name of the video, and then I posted it. And after posting, as you can see from analytics, it was posted on March 14th, not even 24 hours. Okay, well, close to 24 hours, not 48 hours. And after that, it got over 800 views. Okay, and right now, I go ahead and do a search once again. Well, at the top, I don't see it, but I do see at the bottom. As you can see here, 22 hours ago. So this is the video that I posted 22 hours ago. And until that time, there was no video on YouTube that showed on Google. Now, if it shows on Google, it would also show you on YouTube. So you can go ahead and search the same keyword on YouTube, and you'll see that it ranks here first, okay? And it does have a high search volume, as you can see from here. So if you're a beginner and your channel is very, very small, I would suggest to start with a very specific problem that people want to search for solution, okay? And then go ahead and make videos. So it has to be problem solving video, very specific. Otherwise, you can't rank it. If your video does provide a very simple solution, then if your video does provide a very simple and a specific solution, people would watch that regardless how small your channel is. But one thing though, you have to make sure that there are no videos on this. If there are other videos, most probably bigger channels videos would rank, okay? Not your video. Like, I'll give you another example. Okay, so this is one of the earliest videos. You see 1 minute 38 seconds long. And when I was doing this, I was doing an experiment, and I found nobody were using or posting videos regarding this problem. So what I did, I went ahead and first did a search, and I found there was no video. Of course, this is my video. And then I decided to make a video on this. Well, that was well over 1 year ago, almost 1 year, I would say. Okay. Then I decided to go ahead and make a video. As you can see, page 1 and page 2, no other videos, only my video. So I wanted to focus on this specific problem and make a video. And since then, that video got me over 1,000 views, but it doesn't look like amount, right? But it exposes you to Google and to YouTube, and that's how you can get more and more views. If you are a small channel, you should do experiment like this, okay? You don't have to get tons of views. You should focus on a very certain problem that people are facing and no solution. So before you go ahead and make a video, you have to make sure that those videos, there are no related videos either on YouTube or Google, especially on Google. If on Google there are no videos related to that one, definitely you can rank for that. That also means that you'd be able to rank on YouTube, okay? So that's how actually I started my channel and started to grow it. And if you go back to the history, you'll see it is one of my earliest videos, okay? And it still gets me views actually. So yeah, so if you're new, just focus on a certain problem. Don't focus on a very big thing, and that would be very difficult for you to rank with the bigger channel.